Hi, I'm Alex, and this is a demonstration on how to build a Gunpla model kit. What this is basically a model kit of a Gundam Helios from the newest anime called Gundam Battlelog. What Gunpla is basically Legos, but they have unique shapes. You'll mostly find them on these things called runners, which is basically how they're cut out. And as you can see, I've already built the model kit to save us time. What you're going to mainly do is attach these legs to here. Do you see there's a little slot there? You're going to do this twice. Normally in the instructions, they're lazy about it and they say you got to build a leg twice. So it's really kind of funny. Usually you'll start off by building the chest first, which is this. You're going to put it on this ball joint here. So you can see it has a sort of a little torso articulation, which is mainly good for these kind of sets. And what you're going to do next is put the arm in, like so. As you can see, it's got a multitude of articulation. You're going to do the same thing again. Finally, you're going to put the head on it. As you can see, here's the fully built Gundam. Uh-oh, a part fell off. I guess it sucks. But that happens in Bandai quality. That happens sometimes in Bandai quality Gundams. The factories really depend on what you're going to get. And what's special about this series of Gundams is that their backpacks come with these special weapon types. Once I put that on, he can now fly better than originally. The gimmick about this is he has fold-out wings and also 2 rotary guns on his back. Something. Oh shit, it broke. Well, that's Bandai for you. As a special, luckily for today, I have brought a secondary model kit, which is much more quality than that piece of garbage. It is called a bunch of numbers and letters, Infinity Justice Gundam. This is from the old anime from Gundam Seed Destiny, which is a sequel to Gundam Seed. As you can see, this one is much more better than what we just dealt with. He too has a jetpack and some useless features. He can use as a hang glider, because apparently robots need a hang glider. Also, his shield has a claw. But why would you need a claw? I mean, there you go, there it is. Bandai quality right here. Also, he has better articulation than our previous encounter. And I hope this is a really good model kit series. I love it. I love building it. They're only 25 bucks a pop. You can get them at any retailer. It's not that complicated to learn. I recommend high grade, which is what these 2 kits are. There's this high grade, then there's this high grade. And that's the difference. Thank you for listening to my demonstration. I had a wonderful time.